In this section, we're going to discuss a new type of control flow for execution. It's called repetition. Sequential execution starts at the top of a block and progresses left to right, top to bottom. As we saw in selection, the statements may or may not be executed based on the condition. If there was a true and false path, then either the true path or the false path was chosen. With repetition, a statement may be repeated. A condition is tested, as in selection, and if true, the statement is executed. Unlike selection, repetition after execution of the body will go back to the continuation condition and test it again. As long as it is true, execution of that statement continues. Most loops are controlled by a variable. It's called the loop control variable. That variable is used to test whether or not to continue the loop in its loop continuation condition. Usually that variable will increase or decrease in value by a fixed amount each time statement is executed. The four sections of a loop are usually involved in every loop. Some loops may not have one or more sections. That usually occurs under less common circumstances. These sections are initialization, that's where the loop control variable is initialized to a known starting value. Continuation condition, which determines if the body should be executed. The body itself, that's the statement, whether a single statement or a compound statement, that is the code that is executed multiple times. Finally, the update section, where the loop control variable is modified, trying to push it towards termination of the loop. We don't want a loop to continue forever. The program will hang and nothing useful will be done. Java provides three keywords that implement repetition, grouped into two different types. The while loops, which includes the while and for keywords, and the do loop, which is the do keyword. While loops test the condition before executing the body. There is a chance that the body will not execute at all. The do loop tests the continuation condition after executing the body, which means it always executes the body at least once. The break keyword is used to jump out of the loop. We studied that previously in the switch statement. Also, there's a continue keyword which terminates the current execution of the body and goes back to the loop continuation condition.